Okay, we're going to learn how to make a practice parachute. You need to follow these instructions very carefully. Follow my instructions and my directions. Later, you'll have a chance to come up with your own design and materials and sizes and stuff. But right now, you follow exactly what I'm telling you to. I need you to measure carefully 15 centimeters of the tissue paper. All right. Another 15 centimeters here. You're going to make a perfect square. You want it to be perfect. Great shape of a square. All right. Now you're going to cut this out. Okay. So now you need to cut the suspension lines. You want them all to be each the same size. I just tried it with a 15 centimeter string, but that's way too short. So try 20 centimeters. Right there, 20 centimeters. And cut 4 of them. And then you're going to tape them to the corners. You don't have to use a lot of tape. Just a little bit, but make sure they're all coming off the corners. Okay. And now you're going to pull them all to the middle. You're going to make a loop. Here's what the loop looks like. It's kind of tough to do it. All right, so there's my loop. Now you're going to take a paper clip and 2 washers. 2 of them. You're going to hook those onto the paper clip. Just like that. Okay. And you're going to put those onto the loop. All right, and there's our finished test parachute. So now you're going to test it. You want to get as high as possible and drop it and see how well it does. So pay attention to it. Drop it. All right, think about how you can change it, what you can do, how you can make it better. And now you're going to make a second test one. It's going to be 30 centimeters of tissue paper, 30 centimeters square. Measure the 30 centimeters. Along here. Make it a good square. Draw your lines. 30 centimeters. So now we're going to measure some lines. We're going to do 40 centimeters for the suspension lines. All right. Tape them on the corner. And do your test again. Remember with the 2 washers and see how it does. So you want to make your team has to make both the 15 centimeter and the 30 centimeter parachute to test. Good luck.